Welcome back, valued partners. We're excited to introduce the BWN02JW Lace Front Jewish Wig, a standout edition combining stunning aesthetics. The Jewish wig market prioritizes natural appearance and supreme comfort, and the BWN02JW delivers. Its realistic lace front and flattering lob, cut in strawberry blonde, resonate perfectly, allowing clients to embrace style without compromise. This high-demand piece promises excellent satisfaction and sales for your business. For comfort and durability, the crown and back use a durable, stretchable net. This machine-wefted section is robust for daily wear, offering a cost-effective solution compared to fully hand-tied bases, providing exceptional value. Plus, an elastic band and ear tabs ensure a secure, customized fit all day. Ready to add this stunning wig to your collection? Contact your Bono Hair representative for wholesale pricing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.